Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I hope y'all still remember me, but I'm gonna get right into it because today is a very special day. In my opinion, it's one of the most special days of the year, every year. But today is my birthday. Today I am 24 years old and I'm so blessed to be here. Really grateful to see another year of life, especially just through everything that we've been going through as a country. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to, still have my family, still have my friends. Everybody's in good health, so I thank God for that. I did want to apologize. I know that I have not uploaded in a long time. Life has been very busy. Fortunately, I've been having a lot of in-person clients, so I haven't really had time to do YouTube. I'm still trying to figure out how to balance out my makeup clients, in real life, and then my YouTube channel. So I'm still working on that. I'm excited to be back. I'm gonna try my best to start posting consistently again for you guys, and let's get started. I did want to mention that if I look like a glazed donut, that is because skin has been acting very weird recently. I don't know if it's because I've been traveling or it's the change in weather, but I've been having some breakouts, as you can kind of see. And my skin has been very dry, and typically I don't have these issues. So for me, I'm not going to recommend this to everybody, but for me, Vaseline works. So I have Vaseline on my face right now. I got my brows done yesterday in preparation for my birthday, so I really don't have much to clean up. I'm still gonna carve them out a little bit, but I really don't have much to do for real. I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer from Milk Cosmetics. It is the Hydro Grip Primer. You guys have seen this before. Okay, I'm back. Pulled my hair to the side. But like I said earlier, I've been having some little breakouts on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and color correct before I apply my foundation, just so that these dark spots don't show through. Also, I was in Florida 2 weeks ago and my face is darker than it usually is, so. I'm gonna just go in with some primer for my eyes so we can get this eyeshadow look started. Whatever look it's about to be, I don't know, but we're gonna see. So I'm kind of going for like a peachy pink type thing. Y'all know I love pink, so that's a given. I think y'all probably already know where this is about to go, but I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease. It's my birthday. When else would be the best time to do a super glam look, right? Okay, the creases have been cut. Now we're gonna go in with a shimmery color. I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. I got my eyes on this color right here. I want a little more peach in here, so let me go through my palettes and see. This looks very similar to a look that I've posted already. Even though I use different colors, it still looks similar to that look, so let me see how I can remedy that. So I'm just adding a little bit of this peach color. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera, but in person it definitely makes a difference. Just go in and blend this crease a little bit. We don't have super harsh lines. Even gonna go in with that peach and use that to blend it. Just take a brush with no product on it and just blend out generally. And I'm gonna take this bright pink peachy color right here and see what that looks like on my inner corner. That's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks really good in person. Okay, I think I'm done with the eyes. I love how this looks. So now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I have these really super huge lashes that my little sister gave me, but I'm kind of scared to put them on. Like, they're huge, and I know I wear big lashes from time to time, but these things, they might fly off my face. We're gonna have to see. Okay, here's the lashes, super cute. They are from Tink's Blinks, so I'm gonna try to find her social media and make sure that I tag her in this video because these are super cute. Like I said, my little sister gave them to me a few weeks ago, and I've been saving them because I knew I probably was gonna use them on my birthday. So there's what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying those now. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and start to highlight and contour my face, and we're almost done, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I bought this white pencil. I'm sure y'all remember the jumbo white pencils from back in the day, from all the old makeup trends. I haven't used it yet, but I love when makeup artists line the lower lash line with white pencils, so I think I'm gonna do that today, if I can get it open. Now I just need to go back in with my mascara and fix that so it don't look like a mess. I'm gonna brush this powder off. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I do not contour my nose. I don't believe in contouring my nose. I feel like that's very anti-black. If you contour your nose, that's your business, but I have no desire to make my nose look smaller. So that's just me. I just am comfortable with the way that my nose looks presently, and I don't wish to mute it at all, so I don't. I'm gonna go in with some blush, my tried and true Makeup Revolution blush palette. There's so many different options to choose from in this palette, so that's why I love it. Whether you're going for like a subtle blush or a deep blush. Being that I have peach colors on today, I'm gonna go for kind of a peachy color, so like this right here. To the what is it? The roses? The apples of your cheeks, I think. Is it apples or roses, y'all? I don't know. I feel like I just made that up. Either way, apply it to your cheeks. That's the point. Next, we're gonna go in with some highlighter. I love this highlighter. It is from Wet n Wild. It's called the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I like it because it's darker. This is the shade Awesome Blossom. And I'm really looking for like a just luminous, very dewy looking finish today. And I feel like this is what this highlighter reminds me of. So, matter of fact, actually I'm gonna layer my highlighters. First, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter from this True Complexion palette from Black Radiance. Sorry, y'all, I got a call. It is my birthday, so I'm sorry if the video looks weird or it looks like I just cut from one scene to the next, because that's what I'm doing. So we're gonna go in with the Black Radiance foundation, or I'm sorry, highlighter, and then we're going to layer it with this, just to give me a really nice glow. To finish off the dewy look, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Bear With Me spray. I've used this on this channel before. It's a revitalizing and setting spray. Then we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the final look. I hope you guys appreciated this video and enjoyed the content. Let me smooth this eyeshadow out right here. Just noticed that. But yes, this is what I came up with. I'm about to get dressed. Hopefully I have enough time to run back and show you guys what it looks like with my outfit on, but I am running behind, so we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Thank you so much for all the happy birthday wishes, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.